Since the pandemic, YouTube is flooded with everyone showing their workshop organization. Everybody's working on French cleats, but we've got something new for you. Today, we want to show you our insane 3D printed wall holder wall. And yeah, let's have a look and let's see how it looks here in our headquarters in Frankfurt, Germany. So all of the holders you're seeing on the wall are available through our Enable 3D project, and normally we are a tool company, but we decided to create all of our wall holder accessories via 3D printing, absolutely free of charge, so you can find them on our homepage and you can find them also on Thingiverse or Cult or My Mini Factory, wherever you guys go. And yeah, we have everything for our tools, and they are very often compatible with other brands, so you don't need to switch everything. Just go over there, see what you need, what you think is cool, and test it out. As you can see on that wall, all of the holders are made for small holes, and they've got pins on the back side. But we also have solutions for small drilling holes, which is perfectly suitable for basically everything, like stone walls, wooden walls. You're very flexible on that one, and I want to show you that example also on a much smaller workplace, because of course that wall is huge, and the designs of course work on very narrow workspaces and everywhere where you don't have so much space. So let's check that one out over there. As you can see, the concept works very, very well for vertical organization of your workshop, and it saves a lot of space on the table. So you have, especially in tiny surroundings, you have more space for working itself, instead of storing everything. So definitely check it out. Yeah, thanks. If you want to know more about Enable 3D, definitely check out our homepage or visit us on Instagram and try out a couple of designs, and let us know in the comments what you think of our way of storing tools, or if you go rather for a French cleat system.